Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair in Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. This video is helpful. Send me nice comments. Like my videos. Most of all, subscribe and share. And remember, you can't break what's already broken, so you might as well try to take a look at it and see what you can do. So, we've got a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We had several lights on in the dash. And as you can see, I dismantled the automobile trying to diagnose this problem. At one point, when I bought this truck, I had to do the timing chains, everything in it. That was what that was. Then I had to do, once I got that timing chains, got the engine running smoothly, then I had to do a heater core that was leaking. So that wasn't real great. Needed tires, so I did that. Blah, blah, blah. Now we're on to all of the lights. Now for most of us out there, when we scan automobiles and it has 15 different codes, generally we know it's about one thing. So we had a communication between the ORC and the ECM, and now we have a light on for original VIN number missing or mismatched on the ABS module, which will cause this light to come on, this light, traction control, etc. I did actually fix this, but the reason I made this video is because the simple fact that this is so ridiculous. I did all this work, and I still got more work to do because I obviously got to fix that, so it's not the end of the world. But I did all this work because I got a little bit stupid. I pulled this cover off. I was going to check my fuses. Pulled this cover off, and this right here states spare, and them are not spare fuses. They're supposed to be powered. So it was crazy. I'm looking in the owner's manual. It's telling me the cavity numbers of the ORC are 29 and 30. And of course, there's no numbers on none of this. Thank you, Jeep Chrysler. I appreciate that. So that wasn't helpful, but then I started looking, okay, well, there's a pink fuse, all right, so what does the pink fuse do? Blah, 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 yada, yada. And then I determined that these two fuses that say spare are ORC fuses, occupant restraint control. So I put the fuses in there, got my airbag light off. Now I got an ABS light. It's saying that this is mismatched with the ECM. I'm going to probably save that for a different video. I'm probably going to end up either finding a corroded wire. I don't know. It's the only code I have now. Finding a corroded wire or something along the lines. And if it's a corroded wire, you're going to want to look down your wiring harnesses and see where they connect. Make sure they're not interfered by water and stuff like that. Unfortunately, in this particular video, I'm not going to show you that actual repair. But the code was, I want to say 2022, but I will post a video and at the very least explain what I did to fix this. But I just wanted to send a shout out to the wonderful people over at Chrysler and Dodge for numbering the cavities in the book, but not numbering them on the fuse box. That didn't take that long, but also putting the word spare in the spot that's incorrect. Now it's possible that the lid had been changed and maybe somebody took it off of another vehicle. That's very possible, but thank you so much for doing things the same way over the number of years and making a real something product. Have a great day. God bless. Don't be the next to them. Be the first to you.